Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a video on my Studio West haul. So a few weeks back I had gone to Studio West, which is recently launched by the Westside stores. So Studio West is a makeup brand which is recently launched by the Westside brand, and a few days back I went ahead and bought some makeup products from there, and I must say the quality is really good. I have been using some of their products and I really like it. So let's get on with the haul. So the first thing what I got from Studio West is their Pure Passion Flawless Makeup Foundation. This is how it looks like. I really love the packaging of the foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like. It's a little bit dirty because I've been using it non-stop and I really like it. The packaging is very classy. It comes in a black matte packaging with some lines on it. It has a pump which is really great. So the next thing what I got from Studio West is their blush. So this is their Studio West Maya Radiance blush. This is how the blush looks like. It's a very beautiful brownie kind of a color. This can be used as a blush as well as a contour. This is how the blush looks like. This can be used again as a contour as well as a blush. So this has got a very nice sheen to it, so you can also use this as a bronzer. So the next blush which I got is this one, and it's a very beautiful dusty rose kind of a color. I really love the packaging of Studio West products. It's very classy and it's very affordable. So in that range, such a packaging is very nice. So this is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful everyday kind of a pinky rose color. That is how the shade looks like. It's a very natural kind of a blush which will not look too much. So I got a few nail paints from Studio West as well. So their nail paints are really pretty and gorgeous. First nail paint what I got is in the shade Shimmering Ruby, which looks like this. It's a beautiful red nail paint with specks of white glitters in it. The second nail paint which I got is called Sobo Chic. It's a beautiful nice green shade. So the next one is called Vanilla Dew. It's a nice off-white cream shade with specks of glitter in it, which makes it look really beautiful. So the next nail paint which I got is called Cotton Candy, which looks like this. Again, it's a beautiful off-white creamy kind of a nail color. So the last two nail paints which I got is in the shade Golden Dreams, which looks like this. It's a beautiful golden nail paint, very glittery and very beautiful. So the next shade is called Mauve Dew, which looks like this. It's a nice purpley kind of a nail color. So in their lipstick range they have two kind of range, which is the long lasting lipstick and the irresistible lipstick. So the first lipstick which I got is in the shade Cinnamon. This is how Cinnamon looks like. It's a beautiful brownie nude kind of a color, I would say. So the next lipstick I got is called Pure Crimson. This is how Pure Crimson looks like. It's a deep dark red color. So the next lipstick which I got is called Coral Fantasy. So this is how Coral Fantasy looks like. Even though the name is Coral Fantasy, it actually looks like a brick red kind of a color. So the next shade which I got is called Pink Passion. This is how Pink Passion looks like. It's a beautiful everyday kind of a pink lipstick. So the next lipstick which I got is called Apricot Blush. This is how Apricot Blush looks like. It's a very peachy kind of a coral color which can be worn for everyday wear. The next lipstick is called Hint of Brick. Hint of Brick looks like. It's a very nice pinky kind of a color which is really good for everyday use. So the last lipstick which I got from Studio West is called Warm Blush. So this is how Warm Blush looks like. It's a very beautiful warm neutral kind of a pink color. So I also had got their eyeshadow palette, which comes in 3, but I can't seem to find it. I'm sure I'll include it in some other haul. So hope you guys enjoyed this short Studio West haul. So do let me know if you guys want to see a review of any of these products. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.